Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Smash that thumbs up button. In this video, we got a little Craftsman riding mower here that we're going to remove the starter. It's got a bad starter. This motor, it actually doesn't have the 15.5 horse. It has a, I believe it's a 14. Yeah, 14 horse Briggs & Stratton engine. It's a good little mower, but the starter down here is bad. I'm going to show you how to remove this starter. It's held on with two bolts, as you can see right up in here at the top of the starter. They go right underneath the flywheel, where your Bendix gear spins up and engages with the flywheel and rotates your engine over. Well, I guess come on, stuck on there. Well, the little gear. Anyways, it's got two bolts, one right up in there. You can either get in there with a wrench or a socket extension or a wrench, or you can get in with a Torx bit. It's got one on each side. That one's going to be real tricky to get to. We'll definitely have to use an open end wrench on this one. And then of course you got to disconnect your battery wire right here at the base of the starter. So we're going to go ahead and see about getting these undone. Like I said, and they are, I believe it's a 13 millimeter. We're going to see about getting those undone. We'll be right back with you. Alright guys, we got one of them here. We got this one loose. It's right up and on the back side. I'm trying to pull it out here. It is in a very, very awkward and tight spot. Man, this bolt is and I would drop the sucker. There we go. We got one of them out. We're going to set it right up on top of the engine. Now we're going to get the other. Like I said, it's right there. Get it broke loose for you. Alright guys, we got this one up in there loose. First, before we pull it out and drop the starter off, we're going to take this wire. The wire coming from the solenoid that goes to the starter. We're going to take it off, and I believe it's 11 millimeter. Alright guys, we got it broke loose there. Dropping stuff everywhere. Pull that off. I'm going to go ahead and, so we don't lose this nut, we're going to stick it back on this starter so we know to put it on the new one. Alright, we're going to pull this bolt down. We'll lift this starter off. Alright guys, we got it off and out of the way here. We'll set it right up here. I said, and that's how you remove your starter on a Briggs & Stratton engine. And hopefully I found this video useful. If you did, please smash that thumbs up button. It greatly helps out my channel. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and consider to subscribe to the channel. And y'all have a great day.